What's the point? Why don't they make glasses for one-eyed people? What is this? This is discriminatory against one-eyed people, Specsavers. We need a glass for one-eyed people. Two-eyed people can have glasses. One-eyed people, we need a glass. I'm not even looking through this. Why am I looking through this? I'm not even looking through this. Why am I looking through this? I don't have to look through this. I only have to look through this. Why am I looking through this? I go to Specsavers and I ask for sunglasses. And I'm like, you don't need both sunglasses. You're right. So why is my sunglass? Then give me 50% off. Only having two-eyed glasses for one-eyed people. Why is there two-eyed glasses for one-eyed people? What's the point in that? You guys still not recognize? What's the point? Why must one-eyed people wear two-eyed glasses when they only have one eye? But they have to wear two-eyed glasses with one eye. Why? And I know what you're gonna say, Justin. Why don't you get contact lenses? That's the point. There's only contact lenses, no contact lens. Why must one-eyed people ask for contact lenses and they only need a contact lens, not contact lenses? What is the lens gonna make contact here? There's no contact for the lens here. Well, who's the lens gonna make contact with? There's no one-eyed people glasses. There's no one-eyed people unless it's a telescope we have to look through or a jeweler's glass.